an IT specialist in training at Omega Consulting. Today, I'll be going to explain about the topic digital supply chain. For more information on digital supply chain, please don't forget to scan the QR code shown on the screen. A digital supply chain is the use of data analytics and digital technologies to help with the decision making and boost the efficiency of the supply chain management. Before we get started, our today's agenda is to know about what is a traditional supply chain and what is a digital supply chain, and what are the differences between the two, and how do we implement a digital supply chain network. Along with that, we will also know what are the market opportunities, advantages, concerns, and future outlook associated with the digital supply chain. To get started, what is a traditional supply chain? For a traditional supply chain, the information travels in a step-by-step sequential manner from develop to support. Any significant delay in one of the steps will have an impact and domino effect on the other parts of the supply chain management. Whereas for a digital supply chain network, it uses data analytics and digital technologies to help with the decision making and boost the efficiency of the supply chain management. Digital supply chain networks overcome the delayed action reaction process of the linear supply chain. In digital supply chain networks, every node is connected to the other nodes of the network, and this is guided by a code called digital code. Coming to the differences between a traditional and a digital supply chain. For a traditional supply chain, it follows a straight line path. And hence it follows a straight line path, delays in one segment causes a domino effect on the other parts of the supply chain. Whereas for a digital supply chain, it generates real-time data at each stage of the network. And this data is effectively used to control the transportation and logistics. Coming to the digital supply chain implementation, this implementation follows a 7-step process. The first step of the process is ensuring you have the basics right before you implement a new technology. And coming to the second step, it's about bringing disparate functions together for better efficiency and results. And the third step being defining business objectives which are beyond operational efficiency. For example, like defining the enhanced demand planning. And the fourth step is getting everyone on board. This implies that digital supply chain strategy should be communicated to all the levels in the organization. And the fifth step is inventory your own data. This step utilizes data to boost the performance of the supply chain management. And the sixth step is communicating to your suppliers and automating the communication by means of new technologies. And the seventh step is prioritizing the projects which will yield quick results. And hence, by this, we can say that a digital supply chain network can be implemented by following a 7-step procedure. Coming to the market opportunities, the worldwide digital supply chain industry is expected to be worth 13.7 billion by 2030. This is up from an estimated of 3.9 billion in 2020. This signifies a compound annual growth rate of 13.2%. And coming to this figure, it depicts the Survey results of 212 supply chain leaders from diverse industries about the percentage implementation of different technologies in the supply chain. As we can observe, the sections actively planning to use in the next 20 to 36 months and piloting today occupy a significant amount of higher share. And by this, we can say that the technological progress and adaptability in the supply chain industry is present and imminent. Coming to the advantages of digital supply chain, speed, adaptability, granularity, precision, and efficiency are the areas where a digital supply chain will provide immense benefits to the organizations that are utilizing it. And with all the advantages that a digital supply chain network has, there are a few concerns associated with it as well. It is because of its dependability on the internet, and the concerns associated are cybersecurity and unprepared professionals. For cybersecurity, data might make supply chains vulnerable, which may jeopardize the systems. And for this, cybersecurity is the one of the most important concerns for the digital supply chain. And coming to the second one, it's unprepared professionals. Under this, professionals might need more expertise to use new technologies that will facilitate the transformation of the supply chain. And finally, coming to the future outlook of a digital supply chain, the fourth industrial revolution is reshaping every stage of the supply chain. New technologies are being integrated into manufacturing processes and facilities. And by this, we can say that supply chain 4.0 is a realistic goal in the light of all these developments. Thank you for watching this presentation, and please don't forget to scan the QR code shown on the screen for more information on digital supply chain.